I got in this trade when we flushed through this overnight low, and I seen that we were bouncing back up here. They're pushing really hard to get down here, and that's really not that much progress. So I feel like they gave up. And I'd like to see this, or they not that they gave up, but they got what they wanted. So I'd like to see this G test this F period and maybe break that. And if that started, we could possibly break all of these back up to this volume area high. I'm going to split these orders off in case I want to take um, some low lower. I'll do the same thing with my stops. There'd definitely be a case made for taking some here, 99.50. Let me bring that first set down here. You can see how there's kind of two nodes here, smaller one up here. You have this bigger node and the volume fades out down here. That's why I was comfortable taking this trade, is because of this volume fading out. There's no real interest in going lower right now. I'm taking my first set here because it's the top of this node. One hard thing is the volume's so low that it's hard to really get anything going. Actually, where would 5 points be? Here, 98.50. Considering taking that just so I take something home out of this. I just don't have a lot of confidence that we're going to get follow through. Take those two. We almost broke this F period. See where our other orders are at. I have it right at the volume area high here. Forty ticks is going to be 603.50. There. We broke that F period. Let's see if we can take out the E. You do have half back there. Separate those out. So we're breaking E period. There, H broke the half back. Let's see if we can get going from here. Pushing up towards D. You can definitely move this stop up. I wouldn't give back more than this. I think I'll even take the 2 here. You want to make sure you delete that stop. And then when I'm done with this trade, you want to make sure you flatten out. Because when you edit these manually like this in Quantower, if you didn't see this one at the top and you just use this to get out, that order will still be there and it'll put you in the market. I took those 2 just because it didn't rip right out of here. See if we can get this last one to Get up here to our volume area high. Might be able to loosen the stop up on this just a little bit, but I want to come down under this. I want to stay in this range of yesterday. We come down to 750 or so, but that's about it. So obviously my main plan was to get back to here, but it was just the way it was moving and grinding away. I took that first set in here, and then at the halfback, because it didn't push right through here and just keep moving, I took those two, and then now I have this last one left. But even that, I'm not gonna have my stop down here. I'm gonna keep as much as I can within reason to try to get to here, but it's just not moving that much today. So I feel like I gotta get greedy and secure my profits. It kind of goes against what I like to do, which is just let it keep working, and just not that kind of environment right now. I really expected this to rip after it broke this F and E. It's just getting too hung up here. So even our last contract here, I'll give this a little time to work and get to our last target, but I'll just cut it if it doesn't seem like it's going to do it. I don't want to give up 29 ticks. Do have VWAP here. And the way it didn't cut through here, I wanted it to cut through this area. I think we'll close right there and look for another trade.